Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are with my beautiful client Jen, and we're going to be doing a full coverage glam look. And just FYI, this is not for the faint of heart. So we're starting off with the Polish Choice exfoliator, and I absolutely love this stuff. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you know how much I love it. And next we're going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Youthquake. It's like a gel cream moisturizer, which I think will be great for her because she just came back from vacation, and this helps with dehydration, and it's also great for like normal combination and dry skin textures. Unfortunately not good for oily skin, but this is very suitable for her, the condition of her skin at this moment. Now I'm going in with the Benefit brow pencil, and we're using the shade 4.5 just to go ahead and even out any sparse areas, which she barely has any. Her eyebrows are super full and she likes them to be very filled in, so that's what we're going to go ahead and do. Now I'm going to go in with the Jouer High Coverage Liquid Concealer. I absolutely love this concealer. It's very full coverage. The finish is matte, but it is a liquid formulation and great for normal and oily skin types, so pretty much anybody can use it. Comes in a variety of different colors. I think they have quite a lot, so I'm sure everyone can find something within their shade range. And right now I'm just using this to create a blank palette, going around her eyebrows, to pretty much just give us that smooth canvas that we can start building our colors upon. Here I'm setting her eyelids with the Sephora Baked Foundation, which will dry down the base so we can start applying eyeshadow and won't get any creasing. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty bronzer as my primary crease building color. I know Fenty added a few more shades to their bronzer collection not too long ago, and if I'm not mistaken they probably have about maybe like 9 or 10 by now. They're super easy to work with, and I personally love it because they're smooth and they blend like a dream, and it works for both contouring and bronzing, so why not? Next I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking the shade Sandalwood to build and deepen the crease, and I'm just layering this right over the first color I used, which was the bronzer. I'm going to go back in with some more of the Jouer concealer to give a brighter backdrop for the eyeshadow, and I'm also going to use this because it helps prevent the eyeshadows from creasing throughout the day or night, and chances are you're more than likely going to have to remove this before it's going to fade or crease, which is what you want, especially if you're wearing this to an event. Here I'm going in with my Dose of Colors Friendcation palette. I told you I love this palette. I think I've used it in pretty much every video that I've done so far, and I'm using this beautiful stunning green that's got a hint of gold in it, and it really reflects very well. It's just so gorgeous, and in the light even better. So we're going to use this as our primary lid color and just keep building. You can also spray with a little Fix Plus on your brush just to bring that color out a little bit more if you like. And in that same palette, I'm going to use the brown shade to start building the crease a little bit deeper. I'm just using a little makeup remover wipe. I really love the Neutrogena ones because they don't sting or anything, just to remove that fallout, which I had very minimal of. And now I'm using the CeilB.Beauty primer, which is another good favorite of mine. She really hit the mark on a lot of her products. I really have like no complaints. I actually wanted to do a video of just using all Fenty products because I think that would be fun, and I have quite a few in my stash, and why not? Here I am going in with the foundation. I believe this is the first time I'm using this foundation. It's claiming to be high coverage, and it definitely gave us that. So I was glad we chose this, and the color just worked so great for her. And I also went in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation to use as a contour, but as you can see, it was not giving what it needed to give. So up next I'll be using the CeilB.Beauty cream contour to just deepen that contour and make it a little bit stronger.
Shelter like you've done for me, and I know I'm not alone. You'll be watching over us until you're gone.
Ladies and gentlemen, this Kevyn Aucoin baby, let me tell you, there's a reason why I said this look is not for the faint of heart, and there's even more of a reason why I said this concealer has a reputation that precedes it, because the coverage is just so high and so full. It's honestly by far the highest and fullest of all the concealers I've ever used. And if you are going to give it a shot, I'm just going to make a suggestion by saying she is definitely thick and will get you in trouble really quick. So a little goes a long way with this cookie, and they have quite a lot of shades too, but it's hard to kind of match them. And I don't know if they're available in all the Sephoras anymore. You might get them at Neiman's or Saks, but I really love it. And if you have any scarring or any kind of imperfections that you want to hide the discoloration of, definitely try this out. But again, like I said, she is thick, so you might want to just use it very sparingly until you get comfortable with it.
And they won't need to know our names or our faces, but they will carry on for us. And it's a long way forward, so trust in me. I'll give them shelter like you've done for me. And I know I'm not alone. You'll be watching over us until you're gone.
And side note, don't let this video fool you. I was blending for a hot minute, more like a hot 10 minutes, maybe even 15 minutes, okay? So now I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder to set the makeup, which you are gonna see that I'm gonna use it all over the face, and then I'm going to bake afterwards. Now I'm going to go in with those same eyeshadows that I used before in the crease up top to blow out the lower lash line in order to get a more dramatic effect. Seems as though I forgot the product shot here, but I am using the tried and true Inglot Gel Eyeliner in 77 to line the upper lid and the waterline, and I was going for a subtle and humble line, you know, just something to give the lashes a base pretty much. Next, I'm using the Huda Beauty lashes in Giselle. The Giselle lash is light and really natural, but still gives a thicker lash, and it just helps to make any look come to life just that much more. And you know, what's full coverage dramatic eye makeup without lashes? You know, lashes are everything, and they really just make the makeup look that much more complete and that much more special. Next, I'm going in with the iconic Nude by Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, and I love these lip liners. I sometimes wear them as my complete lip color because they're so creamy, they're just easy to apply, and they're not drying at all. We both decided on a nude lip, so I'm using Peach Stock by MAC, which is a oldie but a goodie for sure. And I'm just going back and forth with my lip liner and my brush to help melt both those colors together to create a very pouty lip. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal Voluminous Waterproof Mascara, which I really like because it is, as it says, waterproof and very strong. So unfortunately, you will have to use something oil-based, like an oil-based eye makeup remover in order to get this off. And here we are, another Fenty Beauty product. Are we surprised? I'm telling you, they really got good stuff. And as you can see, highlight makes the girls happy. So that completes the look, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.